Hey guys, you know you can make money for yourself without investment. Okay, as you can see, I come across this app. I can see I have been given 10 USDT, and then I have been given SRC asset, that is 20,000 SRC asset. Okay guys, so before I proceed on, my name is Amada Alorwa, and I made video on how to make money online, dollar arbitrage, crypto arbitrage, and spiritual tips and general graphics. Okay guys, before I dive in now, so let me just come down to here to explain better for you. As you can see it here, look at this app now. The website of the app is www.spidersrc.com. okay guys, so when you get to the app, if you're Android user, you can download it from this one, and then if you are iOS user, you can download this. Immediately you download it to your phone, so you just come down here. Let me back to the app generally. Okay, let me go back to the home. As you can see it here now, this app is a new app, and then it was funded in 2022. okay guys, so you are lucky now to just get this app and open it directly. Okay, so let me come down here. As for this 10 USDT, okay guys, so you have been given 10 USDT. You can use this 10 USDT. I'm going to explain in detail how you will use this 10 USDT now. okay guys, and then for the 20,000 SRC assets, you are be given this one, but this one will be useful next year, because when this app is being launched next year, you use this 20,000 SRC. But for now, 10 USDT you are going to use it. So how can you use this 10 USDTs? Let me go back to the home now, so to explain it better. Okay, as you can see it here now, we have Spire AI 1.0. okay guys, and then 10 USDT. So immediately you see this, you can see this one now. Let me write something. Okay, do you see AI there? When you join it now, your 10 USDT will be okay. You will use your 10 USDT to join, and then every 24 hours you'll be given 0.3%. okay guys, so that is how you will join it. The second one here now, let me show you this second one now. So if you have 20 USDT, you will join this one. You can also deposit to this but I don't want you to deposit, just use your 10 USDT. okay now, so the next thing to do now, so since we have our 10 USDT, what we are going to do now is to join this one. okay guys, so I'm going to click on it now. Let's join. Can you see it now? So I have joined this one now, and then you click join AIZ. So definitely, as you can see, our balance is 10 USDT. So we are going to use our 10 USDT to join now. So what we are going to do now is to put amount here now. Just put your amount here. So that is 10. okay guys, the amount you have been given, that is 10. okay, as you are given 10 now, please enter your payment password. okay guys, so if you have not set your payment password, you have to set it. okay guys, so under the settings, you have to go there and make sure you set your payment password. okay guys, so as you join this one now, so you can see that after the user purchase AI trading, you will get daily income. The daily rate of return is 0.3%, and the period is 1 day. Users invest 10 USDT. okay, so that the 10 USDT we have been given freely, so that is what we are going to use. Don't forget that the 10 USDT you have to use my referral. If you don't use any referral, you are not going to be giving that 10 USDT. So just note that one. If you don't use my referral, you are not going to be giving 10 USDT. okay guys, okay, so I'm going to drop the link under this video so that you can use this link, so that you'll be giving 10 USDT, and then the 10 USDT is the one you will be using to invest on this app. okay guys, so the next thing to do here is to just come down to this place and join the app. okay, so just come down here and join the app now. So I'll click on it now. So here now, I was asked to please enter the amount I want to register. okay, amount I want to invest, that is 10 USDT. okay guys, the 10 USDT I was giving, so that is it now. So and then password of my payment password, so I have to pause this video and then input my. So okay guys, I've put my password now, so I will now press join AI. Do you see now successful purchase? So I have successful purchase this one now. So the next thing to do now, let me go back again. So I will now go back to my wallet now. Can you see this place now? Can you see this 10 USDT has been disappeared? So every 24 hours 0.3% will now be what join this balance, your balance every 24 hours. So you can only withdraw the amount when it is what, when it is 2 USDT. So you withdraw 2 USDT to any of the app, any cryptocurrency of your app. So that's how you will be withdrawing the money without doing anything. Okay guys, so let me go take you to the withdrawal. When you get to the withdrawal, as you can see it here, so you can see that you just put the amount and then the payment password. So make sure you set your payment. So as you can see, the withdrawal needs to purchase a ARP product at least once. Okay guys, we have done that one. Okay, the second one, that the withdrawal is received by the spider agency and each transaction is regulated by the FCA Financial Conduct Authority to ensure the safety of your fund. Okay guys, so the third one is minimum withdrawal is 2 USDT. okay, that fourth is withdrawal fees, so that is 1.0 USDT, and then fifth is withdrawal time, that is 24 hours. Okay guys, so this is how the app is all about, and then you make money without any investment. Okay guys, so that is how you use this, but make sure that you use my referral link so that you'll be giving that 10 USDT guys. So guys, that is all about this, and then if you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for my next video. Thank you. Peace.